My people, una well done o. This na Pidgin Chemistry with Oga Ben. Na here wey chemistry clear like ice water. Today we go talk about wetin chemistry be. E dey important to know wetin something dey about before you begin go deep inside am. Na im make we wan talk about wetin chemistry be.
So wetin you think say be chemistry? I go like see your answer for comment section. You don hear am before? You get idea? Abi e dey new to you? Tell us. Oya make I gist you. Chemistry na the science wey dey study matter. That one na the things wey dey around us, how dem be, how dem dey change and how dem dey mix with each other. E sure me say you don dey shake your head, dey wonder where this one dey go. No worry, na here e dey. Chemistry dey touch everything wey you fit take hand touch, wey you fit see with your eye, smell or feel. E dey touchlight how food wey you chop take dey done and how medicine wey dey make you well take dey work. Many of us just know chemistry as subject for inside school. I go like talk about am as we know am for school. Chemistry na one of the main science subjects wey join hand with physics, biology and math wey dem dey teach science students from SS1 to 3. Dem dey teach am small inside basic science. If you put head learn am well, e go help you pass WAEC, NECO and JAMB exam because e no get as you wan take dodge am for exam as science student. When you pass am for that level, e go come open door for you to go read book, become doctor, nurse, lab scientist, pharmacist and plenty other big things dem wey you go like be. Now make we talk about the chemistry wey dey around us, wey we dey see but we no know. Chemistry no hide o. E dey happen every day and we dey use am but some of us no know. As you enter kitchen, carry pot, wash 4 cups of rice, light stove, put am on top. You don become chemist like this, but you no go believe. Na chemistry wey make that fire wey dey cook the rice start. Na chemistry dey the water wey you dey use cook. You no know say water na chemical. Na chemistry dey make the rice soft. Na chemistry you dey do as you dey calculate, dey measure the salt and other ingredients wey you use cook the rice. Na chemistry wey make the rice done. You don see am abi? When you enter bathroom, dey baff, dey sing song, dey use soap, dey rub your body. Na chemistry dey work there so. Na chemistry wey dem take make the soap and na him dey make you fit clean body with soap. We fit talk dey go, but you no dey for plenty talk before you go confirm say chemistry dey all around you. E dey your body as we dey talk now. You fit dey say, but Oga Ben, wetin I wan carry this chemistry thing do sef? Make I tell you, you need chemistry to sabi how things wey dey around you dey work. You need am to sabi how to pass your exam dem well. You need am make you fit handle 1 or 2 problems wey dey around you and for the world. You fit use am start to make money by starting small business like soap or perfume making. You fit use am also take prepare yourself enter career wey dey science related. Chemistry no be for only book o, e dey very important. So make we look everything wey we don learn today. We don learn wetin chemistry be. We don learn say na science wey dey handle matter, everything wey concern matter, how e be and how e dey behave. We don also see say chemistry no be only classroom science o, we dey also see am for real life, say na real life science. And we don also look how chemistry take dey important to us and how e fit help us for life. If you don watch this video reach here, you don do well o, yourself don try. E remain just small, you go know this chemistry matter finish. If you enjoy today class, I go like make you go comment section, go type I dey ready for more chemistry wey clear. If you need to follow us, abeg quick press the follow icon so that you go fit dey enjoy our other classes wey dey come up. Also invite your friends dem make dem join us. This na Pidgin Chemistry with Oga Ben. Na here wey chemistry clear like ice water. And na here we go match break for today.